Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've already got your chart open and data plotted. Now begin by selecting the chart and the specific axis you need to change. Right-click the axis and choose Format Axis so the pane appears on the right. Once done, focus on axis options, set minimum and maximum bounds to control scale, adjust major and minor units to change tick spacing, and switch axis type if your data is dates versus categories. Make sure the number format matches your values before moving on. Next, fine-tune the scale and tick behavior so your data reads clearly. Change minimum and maximum bounds to clip or expand the axis. Choose Auto for responsiveness or type fixed numbers for exact control. Then set major and minor units to space ticks meaningfully, or enable a logarithmic scale when values span orders of magnitude. Adjust display units like thousands or millions to simplify labels, and format tick marks and label orientation to avoid overlap. Once these match your intent, review the plot. To finish, lock in choices and confirm they work with real updates. Use named ranges or table-based data so axis updates automatically when values change. Add a secondary axis when comparing different units and apply error bars or trend lines to clarify patterns. If formatting looks off, adjust label interval, rotate text, or shorten decimal places for cleaner display. One key troubleshooting tip: if the axis won't accept your bounds, check for hidden data, text entries in the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.